Show them your nails. Can we see your nails? Nails. She got her nails done. She got her toes done. Hold on, y'all gotta really see the details. Cause you know I went hard. Period. Real ring. Oh, well, she lost the rings. It's okay. No, they not. I put them back on her finger.
In the corner.
Oh, I got her a banana. It's funny because we was watching our videos on the TV, and Elyjah was like, "Where am I?" I was like, "Oh."
You want me to be in school?
This is about to be a raw. It's gonna be cut a little bit, but it's gonna be raw. My real life, you know. This is it. I'm about to clean up a little bit, and y'all just gonna come along with me while I do that, and just stay as the day go on, cause y'all know stuff just be popping up left or right, and I don't really know what's on the flow for today. Actually, just picked up the camera because I'm cleaning up Elyjah's room. Well, I ain't even cleaned up yet. I literally just walked in there. I put him in the tub, so he in the tub right now, and I'm in his room. I'm like, you know what? I always make him clean up his room. Maybe I need to come over here and get it all the way clean, and then allow him to like try to keep it that way, and go in there maybe like, you know, once a week to like get his room clean. We do not have a vacuum, so I won't be able to vacuum the floor, but I'm gonna try to pick up as much of the stuff as I can. And I gotta call Jay and ask him where the tripod at, and I have to find the charger and see if I can still record while the camera is on the charger or not, because if I can't, then I'm gonna have to pick the camera back up later. And y'all won't be able to clean with me. So let's ask Jay where the tripod at. Yeah, I don't think he gonna answer. It is the holiday though. I don't know, they might be busy. Say what up. Oh, he not answering. He is at work, so can't be mad that he ain't answer. He more than likely gonna call right back. But I feel like the tripod is in his car. But then again, I don't, because we cleaned out our cars already, and I don't think it's in there. I do have, oh, you know, I don't think this, oh, it can go to the camera, but I do got these little tripods, but I don't want that. I want the one that I can sit up. Boom. Oh, y'all, look real quick. I did my toes. I did my toes. I'm cracking up because I did my own toes and they're little. So let me put the camera on the charger while I look for the tripod. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is the best I can do because I do not have the other tripod. 1, 2. It's on the charger, so it do charge while it's recording, period. It don't say it's charging. It did, but it don't say it anymore. But yeah, y'all can't even see the room. See, I want to try to get this type of angle up here and then pull it down like this. That's the angle I was going for. It ain't giving that, so we're gonna have to make it do what it do. Oh, so I put this in his room. It's like little shells, and then my mom bought him those little capes a long time ago, and they come with like a little mask. Yes, we know what's his name? Yeah, Spider-Man don't have a cape. We know that. We know. But it came with it, so. He the only one that got the right action figure. Oh, Superman do too. Oh, Batman do too. So just that last one. And then he got another cape up under there, and I don't think I know who it is, so I just like put it at the bottom. And I don't got enough shelves. Well, there is one more shelf. It's behind his TV stand, but we just gonna leave that there. But yeah, so my goal for this wall, let's just say this whole wall, y'all can only see so much of it, I know, but I want to get some more like action figure paintings or pictures or whatever to put. I just want to fill that whole wall up with action figure stuff. And then he got these masks too. I kind of want to somehow figure out, like, maybe hook them right here onto the wall. That way he can take them off and put them on when he wants to, and then put them back up there. That, and then get the correct, well, 2 or 3 of those are right, and then one of them is not. But as you can see, Spider-Man is missing fingers. This is the size I want, so I want all of them to be this size, but he need to update. Basically, he need all of them, because this one, he missing fingers. He like, you know. And then on that wall, I want to put up a wallpaper and keep it like empty, but the wallpaper have like some type of design on it, so it can like finish that wall. Then he got like little shelves above his bed. Y'all can't even see them. He got a picture over there. That we had that picture since way before Elyjah, but it's going in here now. And then he got a little vase up there. I want to put some type of boy flower, not flower, maybe like black pumpkin or something to give it a little bit more, you know. And then he got that car right there. The rest of his room gonna be cars type, you know. Maybe like with the same color as the superheroes to make it like coordinate, but whatever, y'all. That's my plan for his room. And they both need new comforter sets to match the theme of the room and blah, blah, blah. But right now, I'm about to just try to clean up his room real quick because he has been in the shower for a little bit and he having too much fun. So I'm expecting the whole bathroom to be wet when I go back in there. And this one right here, she's sleepy. Her room is not too bad for the most part. Here go his what's his name again? Black Panther mask. I think he got one more, but that one I don't really know. It's like a villain, I think. It looks like a villain. That room not really dirty. Elyjah will be having a bunch of stuff like, my stomach gonna keep rolling out. It is what it is. A bunch of stuff like this all over his room, cause he like ripping up stuff, I guess, I don't know, and throwing little things in the air. So y'all, this whole time I was talking, the camera wasn't even rolling. But what's up, y'all? It's another day with us. Don't know where this vlog gonna go. Y'all know I just try to pick up the camera and record and piece it all together wherever I'm gonna put it when the time comes. I'm trying to get a lawnmower right now. It's cold, rainy. It's May 28th. a Wednesday. Okay, this was all from the original idea of me doing my own hair. Boom. Yeah, this is the brand. And then I also got this. There's the brand. This is the braiding gel that I'm using. I'm about to wash my hair. And this is the shampoo that I use first. This is to deep cleanse your hair. It does make your hair a bit dry, I'm not gonna lie. But this is my first time purchasing this brand. The rice water shampoo and conditioner. So this is what I'll even if it's not this brand, like I'll buy a set of shampoo and conditioners, and this time it just so happens to be this brand. Okay, so this is the brush that I use for all of our hair, everybody's hair, to detangle it. The one thing I hate about this shampoo is that it don't really suds up like that. I usually wash my hair in the tub, so like this shit is hella difficult. But with this soap, I just use this one just to wash my hair. I don't too much be concerned with my scalp, because my scalp is already kind of dry. Y'all see how easy that one was? Okay, y'all, so it is way later. It's probably like 2 hours later.